Hello students, today we are learning about the tannins. Tannins, tannins are secondary metabolites present in cell sap. Tannins are astringent substance because they combine with body protein and precipitate them. Tannins are polyphenolic compounds. Tannins show acidic reaction due to phenols soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in organic solvent except acetone. Chemical test for the tannins. Tannin precipitate gelatin and alkaloid solution. Tannins are precipitated by salt of copper, tin, lead. Tannins are precipitated by potassium dichromate solution or chromic acid solution. Ferric chloride solution bluish to black color. This test is very important for the exam point of view for GPAT also and uh, exit exam also. Gold bitter skin test, it is a specific for the tannins. In this test, intestine membrane of ox plus HCl plus tannin solution gives black to brown color. Okay, classification of tannins. In this, hydrolyzable tannin and condensed tannin. This difference between these two, hydrolyzable tannins and condensed tannins. In hydrolyzable tannins, hydrolyzed by acids or enzyme. In condensed tannin, resistant to hydrolysis. In hydrolyzable tannin, on treatment with acid or enzyme, yields a gallic acid or ellagic acid. In condensed tannin, on treatment with acid or enzyme, polymerized into a red colored substance, phlobephens. In a hydrolyzable tannin with ferric chloride give blue color. In condensed tannin with ferric chloride give a brownish to green color. See, this is the blue color and here is the brownish color. In hydrolyzable tannin, on dry distillation yield a pyrogallol or gallic acid. In this condensed tannin, on dry distillation yield catechols. Remember this, pyrogallol and gallic acid in hydrolyzable tannin and catechol in condensed tannin. This also important for the hydrolyzable tannin. Matchstick test is negative in hydrolyzable tannin and in condensed tannin matchstick test is positive. Example of hydrolyzable tannin are Amla, Arjuna, Behera, Myrobalan. Examples of condensed tannin are black catechu and pale catechu. Pseudo tannins, low molecular weight compound, do not obey gold bitter skin test. Examples are chlorogenic acid in coffee and Naxomica, ipicaconic acid and ipecac. See, first hydrolyzable tannin in this amla. See the picture of amla. Synonym of amla is Indian gooseberry. Biological source is fresh fruits of Imblica officinalis. Family is Euphorbiaceae. Chemical constituent vitamin C is a major constituent in amla. It is also known as ascorbic acid. And second is pylambilin. Uses of the amla is diuretic, astringent, laxative. It is a popular ingredient of Triphala and Chyawanprash. It shows aging process by scavenging free radical action, means antioxidant property in amla. Second is Arjuna. Here is Arjuna bark and this is the Arjuna tree and here is Arjuna bark. See, synonym for Arjuna is Arjuna bark and biological source stem bark of Terminalia arjuna. Family of Arjuna is Combretiaceae. Chemical constituents of Arjuna is triterpene, arginolic acid, diuretic action, arjunic acid, arjunogenin, gallic acid. Uses cardiotonic, hypotension, vasodilation. In third is Behera. See the synonym of Behera is Vivitak Beheda. See here, here is Behera fruit and he is tree of Behera, and biological source is the fruits of Terminalia bellerica. See here is fruit Terminalia bellerica. Family is Combretiaceae. Same as like Arjuna. Arjuna's family is also Combretiaceae. Chemical constituent of Behera, gallic acid or ellagic acid and pholembilin. Uses diuretic astringent. It is popular ingredient of Triphala. See next is Myrobalan. Here is fruit of Myrobalan. This biological source also fruits of Terminalia cebula. Family also Combretiaceae. Same as like Behera and Arjuna. Chemical constituent chebulic acid. Chebulic acid. Uses diuretic, astringent, and thalmentic, and it is popular ingredient of Triphala. Next, condensed tannin. See the two examples of condensed tannins are black catechu and pale catechu. Pale catechu image is here and black catechu is here. The synonym of both black catechu is katta kut and pale catechu is gambier. Biological source of black catechu is dried aqueous extract of hardwood Acacia catechu and family is Leguminaceae. Chemical constituent of black catechu, Aca catechu means Acacia catechu. On oxidation, it gives catechutanic acid. Chemical test for black catechu are matchstick test, Gambier fluorescence test negative is here, and uses astringent, cooling and digestive purpose. Used for dyeing and coloring purpose. See here, pale catechu. Biological source for pale catechu is dried aqueous extract of leaves and young shoot of Uncaria gambier. Families Rubiaceae. Both catechu families different. Here, Rubiaceae pale catechu family and black catechu families Leguminaceae. The chemical constituents for pale catechu is catechin, catechutanic acid and catechu red gambier fluorescence. Here chemical test for pale catechu is matchstick test and second is gambier fluorescence test is positive. See test name according to your here synonym of that pale catechu and also biological source gambier also synonym gambier and here test is also gambier fluorescence test positive. In this test, alcohol plus sodium hydroxide and peat ether shows green fluorescence. Okay. Uses of this pale catechu is astringent in diarrhea, used for dyeing and coloring purpose. Thank you.